So this is called as the timepiece, and in this video we discuss how to change the battery, replace the battery in this timepiece. So doing this you can on the back side there you can see a cover, and you can here it is written open. So just simply using your finger you can simply lift this. There is simply press here. Just using this finger you can easily press like this, and you can easily lift the cover. So you can open the cover, and here you can see the battery, and you can take the battery by pressing this side, and you can see inside here that this is the negative and this is the positive portions of the battery. So here you can see a plus sign, so the positive end of this battery should be placed here, and the negative should be here. So first you must insert the negative side here. After that you must simply press like this, and after that you can simply close this cover also. Okay, I can see that it's running fine. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.